Brand new battery.
I'm finna say what car that is. Thing I hate about these damn the small Tahoe, the back of it. That man, super small. Can't put nothing back there. Alright, man. Set my seat. Y'all, we finna go over there. Time is. Dang. Must be dead. But yeah, man, we finna go over there real quick, y'all. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. Popped on a video just like this, cause y'all know why. Man, yes, sir, man. We pulling, we getting pulled, man. We getting pulled, man. We getting pulled, man. With a strap, man. That's how we do it, man. That's how we do it, man. We country. We hood, but we country. I got you. I got you. We hood, but we country, man. Ease on into it. Here we go. For some reason, it's like when y'all got it in neutral, man, and when you pulling, it's like, even when you stop and slow down, it's so hard to stop. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why. But we pulling, man. That's how we do it. Got my Tahoe. I know y'all can't see, but I got the Tahoe trailing me in the back. Damn, you can't see. So yeah, man. It don't just be me, man. We be riding, dog. That's what we doing, man. Actually, we heading to my dad's house, so we finna go drop his call. And he told me he put the pipes on, so we gotta see what it sounds like, man. You know what I'm saying? We gotta see what it was not with the Bonneville, man. So it's another upgrade for the Bonneville, so y'all stay tuned for that, man. We're gonna try to go ahead and get on this road safe. So I'm finna put the phone down, and I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get there, man. Peace. All right, guys, man, we pulled up, man. I got the truck there, man. I got made it there with the thing. Mama, dude. Hey, what's up? Yeah, dude. Hey, that mother fit too, dude.
Boy, look comfortable, don't you?
Uh-huh.
Oh, another video.
Yeah, you know I gotta come up. Keep bringing these banks. Hey, you say you sure got that built too, dude. Man, that thing look good. Colored it. So I like how you colored it. Oh yeah. Take it. I can just steer here a little bit. You want to get up just a bit? Yeah. Well, sound like I got a cam in. Heck yeah. Yeah. Oh. Heck yeah. You messed on a little bit? Yeah. I didn't know how it fits. Oh, like it. It's like old girl. Oh, yeah. Think that spring. That one. You want to sell it back? You want to sell it back? I'll buy that one back. I'll buy that one back. This right here stick too. If you look at it right here on this side, it'll touch this.
Oh, okay. It needs to be bent over.
Oh no, it's good. It's good. Okay. It's just sticking. I just sprayed and lubed it up. I think I look. That mother got a little cam in or something. Put some yeah, it's that old gas. Oh, dang. Oh, I want to buy that mug.
No.
That mug, right. Dang.
Get it down.
What these boxes need to block out? It just then you gotta run it. You can dial it down a little bit too. Yeah.
I was thinking like this.
Right here. Just twist that a little bit. Just the boat. No, this boat right here.
I mean, I'm gonna have to fix it because this here keep moving. When you hit the gas, it keeps moving.
Oh yeah, it just needs to tighten up back there. That copper. Go to that copper. Dang, that mug right. Yeah, especially once you get that that fit. Yeah, you gonna hear all this. Oh God. That mug right. Get the chopping like that. That ball right. Oh yeah. Oh, my buddy, he gonna be mad, boy. Cause he was gonna buy that first, and he ain't hear the clean. He was just like, you know, he was like, man, I don't know, man, cause there was so much he had to do to it. Oh yeah. That ball right. Dang, that ball right. Man, don't get a little oil.
Man, how you need car?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, put it down. Take them motherfucker out, though. I'm gonna take them out.
Yeah, take them off.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. And the other side. I'm gonna take them off and paint them over the same color it is.
Mm-hmm.
Want to put another color. I don't know what other color would be good.
So once
black.
you take them off, you show clean up a little bit.
Yep, clean up all this shit out. Yep.
And put some degrees or something.
Degrees.
Or some brake cleaner.
Or I can just probably do it while it's on the car.
Yeah.
Where I can clean it real good and then take the covers off.
Yeah, brake cleaner work good.
Brake clean?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know, right?
Brake cleaner.
Yeah, the spray. Just like how that car cleaner look.
Yeah.
But get brake cleaner. Brake cleaner gonna make
eat
that
all
back
that stuff
shine.
up.
Yep.
Damn.
That's what they be using. Put brake cleaner all on it.
How much it cost?
Probably about $6 a can.
Okay.
You don't spray all that off, it's gonna come fall right back. It's some, they said it's some with that brake cleaner. It cleans all that.
Break into the dirt.
Yeah.
I mean the gunk and pull it out.
Mm-hmm, pull all that out.
Like on that motor, all that rust and shit.
Yeah, I think it get all that.
I had to put that on top of that something for a few minutes though.
A lot of people just use it. And I just see.
Yeah, I got
You wanna sell it? No, just playing. No, I'm glad you got this mug running.
Yeah.
Cause man, that mug, it sound like it got a cam in it.
I told you something.
Yeah, that's how it supposed to sound. It sound like that mug got a cam in it.
I'm supposed to be a damn 307.
Yeah, it sound like it got a cam. Then it got them flow masters on it too.
Yeah.
I think that motor got a little cam in it.
That mother got a lot of pressure too.
Yeah.
See how that air, all that air come up with the front of the motor.
And soon once you get that closed off,
Yeah.
But then,
If they closed off.
that mug gonna sound good. Then she fired on the first try.
First try.
Oh, dang. That mug got. Then it clean. That thing came a long way. That's why I've been doing the video from before
can I hit the bathroom?
to after. Now, gonna get you driving that mug now, boy. They gonna hate it.
They gonna hate that, boy. First when I clean it up. When it get clean.
Cause I ain't even know what I was gonna do with it yet.
Okay, but the goddamn
Nope.
move.
Get the moving around. That mug clean.
You see, when I first got in here, I went
Yep.
goddamn with the active food.
Oh, yeah, I think they need to leave that. But
They
it's
just
just
run. I looked it up. It ain't got no
overdrive on.
overdrive. It got a thing plugged in on the side of the transmission. It got a little box on it, but it got a cable running through. I don't know what that is. It's plugged in.
That's all you need. Hold that transmission fluid in there, and then put it back in gear. She gonna bust every time. I mean, she gonna.
Yep, I feel like
Yeah. Yeah, she's right. Yeah, it's just that old gas. But you know you can put a little transmission fluid in there too. In the gas tank. It'll clean too, yeah.
you gonna clean it.
They put like about that much in there. In the
some more
tank.
gas.
Yeah, and some more gas. It'll clean that too.
That was gas treatment is. Yeah,
Yeah. Or you can use gas treatment too.
I'm gonna have to stick that shit.
Or it won't smoke too hard.
Then I gotta get that damn get that crowd number. Gotta get crowd number.
Well, I should go to work in a minute. Yeah, I'm glad to hear this mother.
I ain't even doing.
Dang, things sound good.
I mean, it really didn't even take time.
All right, gang, man. As y'all can see, man, Dad is going hard on the Bonneville, man. Got a little more upgrading to do, and hey, gotta get ready, man. That bitch sound good, man. Y'all comment down below, man. Y'all let me know. Y'all new to the channel, y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think on the Bonneville. And do she got a cam? Cause to me, I feel like I heard a little cam in there. I don't know, but hey. Let me know what y'all think, and we're gonna get some more footage soon, so y'all just stay tuned, man, and appreciate y'all for supporting.